Hello. In order to connect your social account with ReachAll, first log in into your ReachAll dashboard. Navigate to the browser section on the left hand navigation. And you can see right now I do not have any social profiles that's been showing up, or I do not have any browsers at all. It's because I do not have the ReachAll extension installed in my current browser. So what I will do is navigate to the Chrome browser store and then install the ReachAll extension. Once I install the ReachAll extension, I will click on refresh, and that will fetch the fresh list of browser and the connected social accounts. So this is the same account that I have logged in into my current browser session. Let's make sure. Yep. And then I can mark it as a primary account so that I can run the scanning and get the relevant groups. Ideally, this would be your main profile. And then I will also click on connect button. Once my account is connected, I'm ready to start my campaigns.